evening and welcome to TL Physics. My name's Sarah and today I'm going to talk about beta decay. So beta decay is another form of decay that can happen, and beta decay is used. It's basically electrons, okay? We've spoken about it before in the weak interaction when we went neutron decays into a proton plus an electron plus an anti-electron neutrino. That's what's going on at a sort of proton and neutron level. But when we look at elements, what's going on is that a neutron inside of here is changing into a proton and an electron. It is important to know that this electron is not from the orbiting electrons at all. It literally is an electron that's coming from the nucleus of the atom. A neutron inside an element is decaying. It's being changed into a proton to conserve baryon number, but to conserve charge, something else must be released, and that is an electron. We say beta is 0 minus 1, and the reason we say that is to reflect the change in proton number in the element. So, here's my uranium-23592. I know this number minus 1 must be 92, so this is going to be 93. And my atomic mass number, it will remain the same. My amount of neutrons and protons will remain the same, however, the individual numbers would slightly change. Again, like with alpha decay, I put this energy in. This will help us with year 2 work. It's not necessary for first year, but really useful for second. Now, beta is really bizarre. It's in the middle. It's kind of ionising. So, ionising the ability to remove or gain or lose an electron. An electron hitting an electron, it's kind of like playing snooker. They can do it, but it's nothing like the helium nucleus hitting the electron off the orbit. And it's sort of middle ground for penetration. It will be stopped by aluminium. So beta is stopped by a few centimetres of aluminium. But it will go through paper. So if you had a detector, if you, for example, wanted to find the thickness of paper, you could use beta because with paper, the beta will go through. If the paper gets thicker, slightly less, and computers are able to detect that slight change, and they can use that to measure the thickness of paper.